Welcome to Asyn Code. Want to get smarter and have some fun while you're at it? Subscribe to my coding channel, and I'll make sure you fall in love with programming. Let's make those lines of code look so good. In C programming, reading files means opening a file stored on a computer, extracting data from it, and then processing or displaying that data in your program. Files are typically used to store data that needs to be saved or shared between programs, such as text files, configuration files, or even binary files. Include the standard input-output library. This library provides functions to handle input and output operations like file handling, printing, and more. This example demonstrates how to read a text file line by line and display its contents on the screen using the C programming language. Declare a file pointer variable to hold the reference to the file. A file pointer is used to manage the connection between your program and a file. Open the file. Example.txt. In read mode R. Fopen is a function that takes the file name and the mode, read, write, append, etc. The file pointer is returned, which will be used to access the file. Check if the file was successfully opened. If Fopen fails, it returns null. This step ensures that the program doesn't try to read from an invalid file. If file could not be opened, display an error message. The program will terminate with a return code of 1, indicating an error occurred. Declare a character array, buffer, to store each line from the file. Line will hold the data read from the file one line at a time. The array size of 100 ensures enough space to store each line. Read the file line by line using fgets. Fgets reads a line from the file and stores it in the line array. The second argument specifies the maximum number of characters to read, and the third argument is the file pointer from which the data is being read. Fgets returns null when it reaches the end of the file or encounters an error. If it successfully reads a line, print that line to the console. Line will hold the current line from the file, including the new line character. Once all lines are read and printed, it is important to close the file. Close frees up system resources that were allocated for file handling. Return 0 to indicate that the program executed successfully without errors. Now run our code. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.